Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify EV charging station amperage using multimeter readings step by step clearly. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a multimeter, preferably one with a clamp feature. Ensure your multimeter is capable of measuring both AC and DC amperage. Before you begin, make sure you are wearing appropriate safety gear. Locate the charging station you wish to test. Check if the station is powered and operational. Identify the amperage rating on the charging station's label. Connect your multimeter to the appropriate measurement mode. If measuring AC, set the multimeter to the AC amp setting. For DC measurements, switch it to the DC amp setting. Carefully attach the multimeter leads to the appropriate terminals. If using a clamp meter, position the clamp around one of the power wires. Make sure your connections are secure and insulated to prevent short circuits. Power on the charging station to initiate the charging process. Observe the reading on your multimeter display. Take note of the amperage reading shown. Compare this reading with the amperage rating on the charging station label. If the reading matches, your charging station is functioning correctly. If there's a significant discrepancy, further investigation may be needed. Once you finish testing, safely disconnect the multimeter. Record your findings for future reference. Store your tools properly and ensure the testing area is clean. Always follow safety protocols when working with electrical equipment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.